Hi, this is an unboxing video of the Leupold Vendetta 2 that I just purchased last week. So I already opened this box, but okay, let's see what's inside it though. Alright, so this Leupold Vendetta 2 is supposed to be something you can mount on your crossbow or compound bow, and pretty much it is a range finder. The beauty of this is that you don't have to use like another range finder because it's connected to your bow. All you gotta do is press the trigger. Okay. Let's see what it has inside. So there's a mount. This is the actual rangefinder, and this is another mount. This is for the crossbow. So one for crossbow and one for compound bow. Directions on how to install it, looks like. Alright. So how to install it and set up. And well, I have an alignment guide. Okay. Alright, that's too many wires, so let's remove some of the wires and see what we got. Well, now that it's ripped, it's also, what else do we have here? Screws and CR2 battery, I think that's what it's called. So it is. Some people didn't know that actually you could attach a crossbow. So what it uses is, I think you probably have to use this ring mount, and I'll show you what my crossbow setup looks like. I believe you have to remove one of the ring mounts and use the ring mount here, and you're gonna use one of these, and which I think that equipment to attach this one, so it will go like right about here for your crossbow. And then this will probably be set up. So this will probably be like on top of your on top of your scope. So well, there's too many wires, so it will take me a while to remove all this stuff. Well, we probably will install it one of these days, and then I could show you the actual setup. I think I would like this one on my compound bow. This actual device is going to be ranging up to 70 yards, and it has like an angle compensation. So if you're up on a tree stand, you don't get the horizontal distance, but you get like the diagonal pretty much. So it will tell you, so you will have a much accurate range compared to using one of those range finders that does not have the diagonal or like a range compensation. So this will be, I think, very useful, so you don't have to find your range finder and do a lot of movement, because all you got to do is press on the trigger switch, and the trigger switch is probably going to be attached to on your left hand on your compound bow, and you could use close to the trigger on your crossbow. So It looks like soft touch, nice tacky feel. I think this one is, I don't know what's the actual weight, but I bet it will add a little more weight. Probably at least a pound, pound and a half total, roughly. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you find this review useful. Thank you.